Hello friends! Today we are diving into some adorable miniature Easter decorations. This project is super fun and easy, and I've even included a free printable with some design sheets in the description so you can craft along. If you're looking for even more cute designs, check out my Etsy shop. I have tons of options for extra variety. Let's start by making some mini Easter magazines. This time I tried using sticker paper and wow, it turned out amazing. I printed the book designs on sticky paper, made one and absolutely loved the result. Now let me show you how it's done. First, cut out the designs. The cover has a built-in support template, so both parts overlap. Peel off the sticky back and gently press the two pieces together. Next, fold the pages in an accordion style, remove the sticky back and glue the pages to one another. Repeat for the second row. Apply glue along the side of the pages and attach them inside the cover. To make sure everything stays flat, place a heavy object on top while it dries. Next up, mini greeting cards. No Easter decor is complete without them. Just fold them in half and you're all set. Now let's make a tiny shopping bag to hold all these mini treasures. Cut out the template and use a ruler and scissors to score folding lines. Don't forget to trace the handles. Fold along the lines to shape the bag. Apply glue on the tabs and secure the sides and bottom. For the handles, fold them in half, glue them together and attach them to the back using the marked white circles as guides. I like using mini craft bags to hold them in place while they dry. Once dry, remove the bags and fold along the dashed side lines to give the bag a more realistic shape. And there you have it, a super cute tiny shopping bag. Okay, I have to share my exciting new finds from Temu. I recently got these tiny nail decorations and I couldn't resist using them for crafting. I immediately pictured them as decorations for mini spring cakes. I made the cakes the same way I did in my 7 Valentine's Day crafts video, link in the description. Quick recap: mix small pieces of kitchen paper, water and glue, then cover a bottle cap with the mixture. Let it dry for 24 hours, paint it with white and brown acrylics, then top it with lots of glue and start decorating. These cakes turned out so delicate and charming, adorned with tiny sugar roses, perfect for a festive Easter table. Now let's craft a round cookie box. Cut out all the elements and grab a bottle cap that's about 3 cm wide. I'm using my kid's toothpaste cap. Roll the illustrated strip around the cap, starting from the clear end, applying glue as you go. Once that's set, apply glue to the bottom edge and attach the white box base. Let it dry, then carefully remove the toothpaste cap and trim any excess paper. For the lid, take the blue paper strip, roll it around the box base and glue it. I use mini craft packs to hold it while drying. Once dry, glue on the lid circle and trim any extra paper. It turned out so tiny and perfect. And the best part, I found the cutest tiny cookies on Temu for just $137 for 30 pieces. They're actually listed as nail art cookie charms, but they fit perfectly in my cookie box. I even lined the bottom of the box with a piece of a muffin tray liner for a realistic touch. For the next craft, I'm making a mini cookie bag using a square piece of a cellophane bag from packaging. Fold the left and right sides to the center and attach them with tape to form a bag shape. Seal the bottom with tape and stick a Happy Easter label on the front. This time I am filling it with dark chocolate cookies, another Temu find. They are so tiny and cute. Fill the bag, tie the top, trim any excess cellophane and attach the tag. It's so realistic and adorable. Now I'm replacing the painting above my fireplace with something more festive. I'll make a spring wreath with artificial flowers. I found these tiny berry stems at my local craft store and they look just like little Easter eggs. Since they are attached to wire, they bend easily into a wreath shape. Time to add some white artificial flowers. I picked these because they have tiny drop-like buds, perfect for a miniature project. I'll cut them into smaller pieces and attach them to the wreath with hot glue. To finish it off, I'm using the same mini roses and petals from the cake decorations, because why not keep it all cohesive and adorable? For the last craft, let's sew a spring skirt for Barbie. This is the perfect chance to show you how to create a skirt with no visible stitches. The free skirt template is included in the description. Cut it out 4 times on white cotton fabric and 4 times on any patterned fabric. The template doesn't include seam allowance, so be sure to leave space when cutting. To transfer the template, I'm using a water erasable fabric marker, another game changer. It washes off easily and you can even erase marks by drawing over them with the back of the pen. Now, place 2 fabric pieces together, good sides facing in, and pin along the marked lines. Do the same for the 3rd and 4th pieces. Repeat with the white fabric. sew along the pinned sides on both the colorful and white fabric pieces. To create the waistline, fold the top edges of all 8 pieces and secure with pins. Sew a 1 cm stitch along the folds. Then place the 2 fabric pieces good sides together, pin along the bottom, side and top, and sew, leaving one side open so we can flip it inside out. Once flipped, iron it flat and sew up the open edge, tucking the fabric inside neatly. To finish, overlap the left and right sides of the skirt and sew along the edge, leaving a 2 cm opening at the bottom. I'll use tiny silver hook and eye buttons at the waist to fasten it. No visible stitches, super polished look. If you enjoyed this video, check out my next tutorial for even more mini crafting fun. See you next time, bye!